Hello, this is Mike Green with Lester Green and McCord Insurance. I want to talk to you a moment about your voluntary benefits that we're rolling out effective August the 1st with Next Solutions. This segment is going to talk about voluntary life, voluntary accident, death and dismemberment, short-term disability, and voluntary long-term disability. I've also sent with this a package that explains these programs, an enrollment package for each one of these lines, and the next video will discuss vision and dental. So I want to start right off the bat with voluntary group term life. These rates that are in your package are bi-weekly rates. These plans are portable, which means if you leave the employment of Next Solutions, you can carry this insurance with you. It is age banded. You can buy up to $100,000 worth of life insurance on yourself, including your spouse, up to $30,000, and a children benefit up to $10,000. Now that $10,000 for children would be on $10,000 per child. So all for a pretty reasonable rate of $1.38. Now the voluntary group term life policy has a highlights of coverage. You can go up to approximately $300,000 if you'd like to get involved in the some underwriting, but $10,000 is the minimum benefit, available up in $10,000 increments. The rates are in your package. Look in your age group and down to how much you'd like to buy, and you can see the rate. You can continue your coverage and your spouse's coverage upon leaving your employer if your employer has chosen the portability benefit option, which they have. And at that point, you can convert your coverage as well. So look that over and see if you're interested in that. Now, you can buy voluntary accidental death and dismemberment to go with that. It doesn't have to be the same amount of coverage as the life insurance. You can buy $100,000 worth of group term life, and you can buy $50,000, for example, of the accidental death and dismemberment. You'll see those rates as well. Now these are biweekly, so this is what would come out of your paycheck on a biweekly basis. There's a brochure involved with it. You've got to be actively at work and be a W-2 employee to be eligible for any of these benefits. So accidental death and dismemberment is a great plan that goes along with that. Short-term disability, that's sick pay. We pay first day benefit for accident, 8 days for sickness, and we're going to pay the benefit for 26 weeks. This is a great plan for those that have got steady bills if they're out of work, whether it's accident or sickness. Doesn't matter whether it's on the job or not. This plan pays. You're eligible up to 60%, up to 70% of your monthly earnings. So you've got a chart in there that shows the weekly earnings, the monthly earnings, and the benefit that you would be eligible for. That does not mean that you have to buy the entire benefit. So as an example, if you're a $500 a week earner, you can buy up to $350 a week, and that will cost you $15.18 a paycheck for that. You would get, after one day of accident or the 8th day of sickness, you would start earning that $350. So look that over as well. This runs for 26 weeks. That's 180 days, which ties in with the long-term disability benefit that we're offering as well. So you can get the short-term disability up to 70% of your covered weekly earnings. Maximum you can earn is $750. $100 is the minimum that you can pick. And you can get the benefit up to $10 increments. So that is a important benefit that will help pay rent, pay electric bills, pay utilities, pay cell phone bills in the event that you're out. The last benefit we're going to talk about today is a voluntary long-term disability plan. This plan picks up at 180 days. That's the end of the 26 weeks on the short-term plan. So this plan pays up to 60% of your annual earnings, or on the chart we're using the monthly earnings. And so if you're making $24,000 a year, you can get up to $1,200 a month, and you can see the rates there in the sheet that show the age bands and the cost for those benefits. For example, person at $1,200, $3.05 if you're under 39 years old. So I think that's a good plan, and it works real well for what we're trying to offer here. I'm going to give you, along with this email, my email address in the event that you've got a question or a problem I can help you with these plans. You call me or email me, and I will answer your question within 24 hours. Back to your email address. If you're at your supervisor's office watching this, along with some others, you'll need to get together, answer whatever questions, or put together whatever questions you've got, and I'll be glad to get back with you. Now, in this package is a voluntary products enrollment form. Now, this is where you'll apply for these particular plans, these 4 plans that we're talking about. You'll need you to fill out the employee information, and you'll indicate what coverage you're interested in. All 4 are just, you can pick and choose either one, and you can pick up the coverage for yourself, your spouse, children. On the life insurance, STD would be yourself, and the voluntary long-term disability. I need these forms back within a week to 10 days. You'll fill the form out, you'll scan it, email it, or you can fax it to the information that I'm going to put in with the email that's going out that you're looking at right now. So if it's life insurance, you need beneficiary information. You need to fill that out as well, and then you can pick up the other coverages. It's very self-explanatory, very easy. If I have a problem reading your application, you'll need to let me know how to get back in touch with you to clean these up and make sure they're done properly, okay? If you need or you want to buy more than $100,000 of the life insurance amount, then you'll have to have evidence of insurability. There's a form in there to fill that out as well. So you'll get a lot of help and direction on this. But if you've got a question or problem, address it with your supervisor, or you can contact me directly at my office number, which will be on this email along with email as well. So let me know if you've got any questions, and we'll work through it. Thank you very much.